Well, as we enter a whole new day in trade, let's take a look at the global cues from last night. It was another record-breaking day for the US. All three averages set record closing highs. The Nasdaq jumped 2.6% or 326 points to close above 13,000 for the first time ever. The Dow and S&P rose 0.7 and 1.5% respectively. Elon Musk overtook Jeff Besoz by $9.5 billion to become the richest man in the world, just shy of $200 billion. Futures in the Dow were up around 40 points this morning. I think they've gone up to 80 points. And the Nasdaq and S&P futures are also showing a small uptick of 0.2%. Asian stocks are reacting very well to the US move overnight. But today, within Asia Pacific, one market is really standing out, and that's Korea. The Kospi is leading gains for the regional markets in Asia Pacific, up 2%. Shares of automaker Hyundai Motor are up 18% after they announced that there is a deal in the works between Hyundai and Apple to manufacture cars and batteries both. So this is a very exciting deal, obviously. Hyundai shares rose as much as 24%. It also got Kia Motors excited. Auto stocks in general in Korea did well. Kia Motors was up 9.21%. But if Apple and Hyundai strike a partnership to manufacture any kind of vehicles within Asia Pacific, of course, it's going to be a big, big deal. Japan is also doing well this morning. The Nikkei is advanced 1.4% in early trade. The Topix has gained 0.82% in early trade. And then Australia is also currently doing very well with the S&P ASX 200 up around 0.4%. Let's look at Europe. Europe closed higher yesterday. It's likely to do the same today, or at least open in the green, given that the global handover has been strong. The Pan-European Stock 600 yesterday was up 0.5%. Basic resources added 2.8% yesterday in Europe to lead your gains. Travel and leisure stocks dropped 1.2%, unfortunately. Then two commodities we always do a check on, oil and gold. Oil prices rose on Thursday. Saudi Arabia has unilaterally agreed to a production cut over the next 2 months, and US crude stockpiles have fallen. Brent was up 22 cents or 0.4% to $54.52 per barrel, the highest we've seen in a while. And then WTI gained 23 cents or 0.45% to trade at $50.86 per barrel. Both contracts rose over 1% on Wednesday. WTI rose 1.4%. Now, gold slipped on the converse end of things yesterday. Prices were weighed down by a couple of factors. A stronger dollar, B, higher US Treasury yields. However, talk of stimulus and perhaps increased stimulus, now that the Democrats have firmer hand on things in the US, capped the downside. Spot gold fell 0.3% to $1,913.87 per ounce, and US gold futures settled up 0.3% at $1,913.60 per ounce. So taking all this into account, the SGX is currently showing 14,267 at open. Let's see where we wind up.